Hey everyone, I'm Mickey. Welcome back to LaceUp Solutions, the #1 DSD software. Today I'm going to give you 4 ways that you can increase your sales dramatically as a distributor in 2019. So the first thing that I see all of my customers do wrong when it comes to increasing sales is that they don't incentivize their drivers to drive any revenue for the company. For a distribution company, a driver traditionally just takes products and drops it off. They're not incentivized to find new business. They're not incentivized to look at opportunities, to look around in the field to see what there is. They're not incentivized to talk to people about sales. They're just incentivized to deliver a product. But guess what? The driver's already at all of your stores. They should be another set of eyes looking for opportunities to grow and scale your business. If I were you, I would incentivize your drivers to find you money-making opportunities and pay them a commission or a bonus or a reward of some kind for helping you increase your sales. So that's tip number 1, incentivize your drivers. Tip number 2, start making content. There are no distribution companies with a good YouTube channel, with a good Instagram, that all they do is pop out content. Start documenting what goes on in your enterprise every single day and start putting it on these platforms. Because I promise you, if you don't, the person that's coming after you, that's the next generation, they will be doing it. And they're going to put you out of business, because when my generation, the millennials, come around and they start shopping around for products, they're going to be looking online. It's not like it used to be where you used to pick up the phone and cold call everybody. Now my generation, they look at everything online, they look at YouTube, they look at Instagram, they look at Facebook before making a purchasing decision. So be the first in your industry to do content. Be the first to pop out Instagram posts. Be the first to be on Twitter. You may not be the first, but you'll be the first one taking it seriously. You'll be the first one with any chance to succeed in it. So again, please start making content immediately. And the next 10 years, you will transcend the amount of revenue that you're going to be making. It will be next level. You will be so big you have no idea. That's where the marketplace is going, so I hope you take advantage of this point. So point number 3, I see a lot of the distributors that I work with not having a website. How embarrassing is it that you're presenting a product to your customers, yet you don't have a website that I can go visit and shop around and look at things? Even if you're not an e-commerce store, even if you're not going to provide the product over the internet, they should be able to view images. They should be able to view the product, what it looks like, what the packaging is like, what the flavors are, right? Why do I have to go to a Google search and have to find the 5th result down to click on your Facebook page to look at your images? Have a website that I can visit, that's updated, that's got all your products. So that way I can look at your products and hopefully I'll be able to make the best decision by picking your product. So the next point that I want you to focus on, and something that I see a lot of our distributors failing at, is that none of them take 2 minutes to understand their workflows. So once you get beyond a certain point, kind of the management team steps back and they start managing, and they put people on the ground floor. The problem is that the management team loses touch with what those people on the ground floor are doing. They don't understand the workflows of those people on the ground floor. Therefore, when management goes to implement a new system or a new process, they're doing it from a back office perspective. They're not doing it from a ground floor perspective. This almost always leads to a failed implementation of a system or process. What I want you to do is, if you're going to implement any process or any system, go to the ground floor. Get in there. Do the nitty-gritty work for at least a day or 2 with your employees and with your people so that you can see the best way to implement a new process or a new system. So anyways, those are 4 tips that should help you grow and scale your business in 2019 going into 2020. My job is to provide you and your company extreme amounts of value, and I'm going to be making 1 piece of content like this every single day, so please like and subscribe to our channel immediately. Either way, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care.